Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about S&P 500 and Nasdaq and their Elliott wave count that I had and the results of that. So let's get it started. This is the Elliott wave basic phenomenon. This is what happened: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse wave, right? And then it comes back down for ABC correction if it is a bull move, right? So bullish trend, wave one has 5 impulse wave and 3 corrective wave, right? So I found something like that in S&P 500. Let me show it to you. This is what happened, right? So I had wave 1, 2, and then this is wave 3, around 161%. And then we had a couple of red candles. So I said, okay, now probably it's going to drop for wave 4 and then go back up for wave 5. Now let me show you how these waves unfold, right? Usually starting from here. You make the channel, right? So this is how you draw the TL connecting these 2 points and then put a parallel here and then create a channel. So the wave 3 goes outside the channel. Then it comes back down for wave 4. And then this is how it goes up for wave 5, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how it unfolds. So I said, we are already here, wave 3. Then we need to come down A, B, C for wave 4 and then go back up for wave 5, little bit higher than wave 3, right? That's what the idea was here. So watch this, what happened to this chart. I'm going to fast forward because I made a lot of charts in between. So see this, right then and there, it start to come down. This is S&P 500 40-minute chart. So I had it that, from 61% it's going to drop. It went up a little bit. Then I made this chart that's going to drop here for 38% and then go back up for wave 5. And what happened? They start to come down slowly and, every day, little by little. And this is what happened on 31st May. And this is what happened on 31st May. Again, start to bounce because the wave 4 was finished. And this is the chart I recorded today, 5th June. This is where we are. For wave 5, my target is this 127% extension, 53.93. So a little bit more to go to the upside. So now going to the upside. Now I'm coming down and then going, I had, several trades, but only today going to the upside, I'm going to show you what I did is this. So this is the S&P 500 June 5th trade. It started to go up, and this is the entry. My EA expert advisor, Robert, took the trade, and this is how the EA is automatic, right? So it took it, and from 53.13 to 53.60. That's S&P 500 buy orders right there. You can see, right? So now this is what happened to S&P 500. So let me show you what happened to the Nasdaq, right? So Nasdaq chart, I also have the same thing. Let me show you from the beginning when I made the chart for the first time here. See that 18 May, the same day, Nasdaq 40-minute, wave 3, supposed to come down for wave 4 and then go back up for wave 5. So this is what it did by 24th May. So I said again, either this number or 38% and then wave 5. And it start to come down, 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 hit the 38%, then start to go back up again on the 31st. And today is right there, June 5th, very close to extension, 127%. That would be my target. Now going up today, the trade I took, or not me, but my EA robot, live trading robot took is this. Just like S&P 500, it went up, become bullish. This is the trade taken, and it's gone all the way here from 18,689 to 19,054. Buy orders right there. So this is how the Elliott wave knowledge comes handy, right? So if you know exactly, and I had shorts coming down, I had long going to the upside as well, but this is only today, right? And these 2 trades are taken, and then if they make the turn, I will be ready and I will go down with them, right? So this is how this Elliott wave do, right? They unfold like that. And if you know the knowledge, if you have the knowledge that, how they unfold and what happened, what wave comes after what, then you can easily trade like this, just the way that I showed you, right? So if you want, and if you want to learn about Elliott Wave, go on my website. Especially here, I have two websites, by the way, now. So this is my original old one, and this is a new one I made, ElliottWaveMaster.com. And you have the Elliott Wave course there. A very powerful course, teaches you exactly what I showed you, that I'm using it, and I'm taking these trades left and right. Not only indices, but gold and forex pairs, everything. These Elliott Wave works in every instrument that you can have online, right? So yeah, like I said, that go any of these website, and then you will find there Elliott Wave course and harmonic pattern course are there, and take advantage of it. And whoever see this video and then email me to get the course, I'll give 50% discount. And like I said, it's a very powerful course. Once you have the knowledge, you can trade. Trading becomes like walk in a park. All right. So I just wanted to share with you guys and show you that how I'm doing with these things. And gold also has a very huge trade, gold trade today, but I'll show that in a separate video. This is only for S&P 500 and Nasdaq, right? DAX and Nikkei did the same thing, but the video is gonna be too much, too big, right? So I'm gonna stop it right here just to show that this is how Elliott Wave unfolds, right? So this is it for now, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. Don't forget to sign up or subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time, and you will have these. And I made the video before it was going to the website a long time ago, and then I posted on the YouTube. Right. So if you see the video, you get the trades. Right. So you can take advantage of these, knowledge in these setups and trade accordingly. Right. So go on my website if you want to be a part of it, if you want to get the course and then get it and learn and start trading like this. All right. Any question, email me on myforestmagicwave@gmail.com and I will be happy to answer. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.